Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan QR code in Tonkeeper. So for you to do that, you have to open your Tonkeeper on your phone. Once you open it, you will see an option called scan. Just tap on the scan, and when this is on right here, you try and place the camera on the QR code of any particular wallet you want to make a transaction with. Once the QR code is valid, it will generate the person's wallet address. Then you can now decide on what to do with it, or maybe you want to make a transaction or just to review it. And that is how to use QR code in Tonkeeper. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.